So our new production is Z gives A4, A4, Z or A4, A4. So what we are going to do is we are going to change this production again, like A4 gives B. We are writing the production of A4 as such. A4 gives B or B, A3, A4, and then this one we are replaced with Z, right? So what we should do is we can include this Z on B and also for the second production BZ or B, A3, A4 and A4, A3, A4 Z. So now this is a new production after this is the production that we are getting after processing this production A4. So A4 gives B or B, A3, A4 or B, Z or B, A3, A4, Z. So we can check whether this is in GNF. So we know what is the condition for GNF is a terminal or a terminal that is followed with variables or the non-terminal. So it is of the form GNF definitely. So this is a single terminal, terminal that is followed with variables, terminal that is followed with a variable, terminal that is followed with variables. So definitely this is in GNF. The new grammar is given as A1, the productions of A1 gives A2, A3 or A4, A4, then A4, the productions of A4, then the new production Z, then A2 and A3. So this is a new grammar. Okay, so we know where from where we got this A1, right? So that is our first production, and then this A4. This A4 that we got in the previous step after introducing the Z. Okay, so this A4 we are getting from here, and then the Z is the new production that we have introduced, and then the remaining are the productions from the grammar. Okay, so now we will check whether all the productions that in the new grammar, whether all the productions are in the form GNF, that is a single terminal or the terminal that is followed with variables. So we can check that. So here you can see this is not GNF because it is two variables. This is not GNF, this is GNF, and this production is GNF, this production is GNF, this production is GNF, and this is not GNF, this is not GNF, and this is GNF, and this is GNF. So what we are going to do now is, we are going to substitute A2 is B on production A1 and A4 A4 production on A4 and then A4 on Z. So in this way we are going to substitute it. So you can see here A1 gives A2, A3 or A4, A4. So in the place of this A2 we are going to write this B, and then instead of this A4 we are going to substitute the value of the A4 productions. So we can do that. So first A1 gives A2, A3. So in the place of A2 we are substituting this B. So that is B, A3, or then in the place of A4 we are writing B, this is B, B, A4 or B, A3, A4, A4, then this B, Z, A4 or then B, A3, A4, Z, A4. So in this way we are writing the productions of A1. Then what is this A4? A4 is as said we can write because already everything is in GNF. Okay, so B, A3, A4 or B, Z or B, A3, A4, Z. Okay, then we are writing the production Z, that is Z gives, in the place of this A4 we are putting the values of the productions, we are writing the productions of this A4. So that is B, A4 Z, B A4 Z, or B A3 A4, B A3 A4 A4 Z, or then B Z A4 Z, or then B A3 A4 Z A4 Z. Then we are having another one production, that is A4 A4. So in this one we have to write like what is this A4? This one B A4, then B A3 A4 A4, B A3 A4 A4, or then B Z A4, then B A3 A4 Z A4, B A3 A4 Z A4. Then we are having A2 gives B and A3 gives B. Then we are writing the remaining productions. A2 gives B and A3 gives B. Sorry, A. So now we will check whether, so this is the same thing that is given here. So now we can check whether this is in GNF. So in GNF the productions will be of the form A gives A, or A gives A B. Okay, so our productions must be of this form. So you can see here, this is the terminal followed with variable, that is in GNF, terminal followed with variable, that is in GNF, terminal followed with variable, that is in GNF, terminal that is followed with variables, terminal that is followed with variables, single terminal, terminal that is followed with variables, terminal that is followed with variable, terminal followed with variable, terminal followed with variable, terminal followed with variable here. So everywhere you can see the terminal that is followed with variable. So definitely we can say that this grammar is in GNF. So this grammar is in GNF. Okay, thank you.